Hello and welcome back. We're going to go through what we're going to do this week. So as usual, you can scroll on down to our updating calendar. And we're really getting through the semester at this point. So here's what we're going to be doing this week. We're going to be working on growth and fixed mindsets. So if you haven't already, go ahead and upload your second interview. And you're going to want to upload your interview project paper. Again, this is only like a 2-page paper, and it's really on your own experiences and reflections. So go ahead and get those in. You're going to be watching this video right now. I haven't uploaded that yet, but I will by the time you see this. And then we're going to read 2 papers and then do an initial and reply discussion. So let's go ahead and scroll on down and we'll see what that looks like. All right, so we're going to go ahead and scroll on down, and here we are on week 12, growth and fixed mindsets. Here are the 2 papers you're going to read. They're fairly short. This first one's going to really talk about sort of what is a growth mindset and how it can be used. This one is sort of in a sports context, but we can translate that into academic context as well. And then this is the sort of originator of growth mindset was Carol Dweck, and this is sort of one of her responses to how growth mindset is being used. So I want you to read both of those articles. And then here is our discussion forum. And there's 5 questions about the articles, and you want to respond to 2 or more of these questions. So you want your initial response to be by Friday night, and then reply to at least 2 of your peers by next Tuesday. So 10 points for your initial post, and then 5 points each for the 2 replies. I think this is a really interesting topic because it can kind of help us start to think about metacognition, which we'll talk about later, sort of thinking about our own thinking. And it kind of lets us think about how we can keep moving and progressing as we learn. And what are some of the stumbling blocks that can get in our way and how we can kind of overcome those. And then from a teaching perspective, how can we help students also be in that position to be able to grow and continue in their learning. So pretty important stuff, pretty interesting stuff that I hope you enjoy the readings and find them applicable to LA assignments, tutoring assignments, future teaching, but also relevant to thinking about your own learning processes. As usual, if you have any questions, please contact me, please contact Maya. One of the downsides of an online class is that I don't get to know you as well. And so I'm always happy when you reach out and I get to make a little bit more of a connection with you. So yeah, definitely ask questions, and I look forward to reading your responses.